Want to make money with AI but don't want to spend a single dollar? Let me show you 5 powerful AI tools that are completely free and can help you start earning in 2025. First is ChatGPT. You can use it to write blogs, create YouTube scripts, draft emails, and even generate product descriptions. Many freelancers are already using ChatGPT to deliver work fast and make money online. Second, Canva. With Canva's free plan, you can design thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and even short videos. Perfect for content creators and online businesses without spending money on expensive design software. Third, InVideo. This AI tool lets you turn text into videos in minutes. Just paste your script and you'll have a professional-looking video ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Fourth is Copy.ai. If you struggle with ads, captions, or sales pages, Copy.ai generates marketing text in seconds. This is a big time saver for entrepreneurs and freelancers. And last, Gamma.app. It's a tool that builds pitch decks and presentations automatically. Imagine creating an entire business presentation in just a few clicks. It's possible with Gamma. These 5 tools are free, simple, and can help you start earning online today. Which one will you try first? Comment below and make sure to subscribe for more AI money hacks every week.